Hello, this is Ashraf from Mr. Ashraf's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to render image or animations with transparent background. To do that, once you have your mesh inside of your camera view, okay, you go to render output tab, okay, output tab, and at the file format, okay, for PNG, make sure you select the RGBA color options. RGBA means red, green, blue, and A is for alpha. So once you have the alpha, you can control the transparency at this render properties tab. Select that, and then you scroll down and look for film and turn on the transparent, and then render. So now you have a transparent background. Okay, this is for image. Okay, how to render for animations with transparent background. Okay, for animations, you have to change the file format from PNG to movie format. I'm going to choose FFmpeg video, and then the encoding can use Max Roca. For the video codec, okay, you change from H.264 to FFmpeg video codec number 1. Okay, and then again, you go to the file format color, select RGBA, and check at the films. It is transparent. So let's say you have an animations. Okay, I'm going to create an animation here. Yeah, so I have the animations. Render animation. So now, yeah, you have an animations with transparent background. Okay, that's it. See you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.